NVIDIA says it plans to resume its H20 AI chips shipments to China. The stock reacting positively. How big of a deal is this?
Well, I think, when we look back earlier in the year, the company was kind of writing down expected revenue because of some restrictions that were put on them. But I think Wall Street largely did the same, right? We saw earnings expectations come down. We saw revenue expectations coming down. So this is a pretty big reversal. How big of a reversal? Well, 2024, China was about 13% of the company's revenue stream, call it around 17 billion. So we're going to see, multiple billions of dollars coming back in. We saw that opportunity at the Street Pro portfolio, and that's why we raised our price target to 200 from 185, really in response to that.
So $200 a share, that implies a little less than 20% upside.
Correct.
From where it's currently trading, around 170. What gets it to 200?
Well, I think, this is certainly one announcement, but I also see multiple announcements coming that really support that move from 185 to 200. So what are some of those? Obviously, we're going to see the rollout of the President Trump Stargate as that continues to build throughout the year. But we're also seeing other companies just talk about adding additional AI and data center capacity, the bread and butter business for chip demand for NVIDIA. Whether it's Meta and what they're doing in Louisiana, whether it's CoreWeave and what they're announcing in Pennsylvania, as well as international demand as well. You put it all together, and I think as we go through the earnings season, we're going to hear aggregate big tech and hyperscaler capital spending move higher back half of this year and 20.
Trade tensions between the U.S. government and China date back to the first term of President Donald Trump. But tariffs aren't the only factor at play here. The United States is vying for artificial intelligence supremacy with its trading partner. As a result, on April 9th, new export regulations were put in place for the sale of AI chips to China. Many IT companies are impacted by the new rules, including NVIDIA, a leader in AI. The federal government's export restrictions on such technology have hindered the company's sales of its well-liked graphics processing units, GPUs, which are potent computer processors that have helped NVIDIA succeed in the AI era. Nevertheless, a number of indicators point to NVIDIA's ability to prosper in spite of the trade disputes between the US and China. Here is a look at NVIDIA's chances of continuing to succeed in spite of the obstacles. NVIDIA was negatively impacted by the chilly ties between the United States and China. The business had to write off $4.5 billion for unsold inventory in its fiscal first quarter, which ended on April 27th, since it was unable to sell its AI chips intended for China due to the new export restrictions. Of NVIDIA's $44.1 billion in Q1 sales, $5.5 billion came from China. Given that the corporation was prohibited from shipping an extra $2.5 billion worth of AI products in Q1, this number may have been higher. There are other consequences than lost earnings. The AI race is not just about chips, said Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA. The question is which stack the world is operating on. American leadership in global infrastructure is at risk when that stack expands to incorporate 6G and quantum. Stated differently, the development of AI infrastructure by global enterprises using U.S. technology platforms, like NVIDIA's proprietary Compute Unified Device Architecture, CUDA software for GPU customization, is essential to bolstering American leadership in AI. This cannot occur because of the existing trade prohibitions, Huang said. Even if these obstacles are substantial, NVIDIA showed that its business can withstand them. For example, its $44.1 billion in Q1 revenue reflected an outstanding 69% year-over-year rise, even if sales in China had decreased. NVIDIA's stock, which is up almost 30% in 2025 through July 15th, after shares reached a 52-week high of $172.40 on that day, reflects the company's tenacity in the face of China sales setbacks. The corporation became the first to reach a $4 trillion market worth thanks to its skyrocketing shares. Trump praised the performance of NVIDIA's shares. Huang has made multiple trips to the White House, and NVIDIA benefits from his cordial connection with Trump in the face of trade threats. The U.S. government has promised NVIDIA that licenses will be issued, and NVIDIA wants to begin delivery shortly, according to the company's recent announcement that it will resume selling its AI processors to China. Every year, there were rules and taxes and tariffs and policies and regulations, and we survived. And whatever it turns out to be, we'll make the best of it, Huang said, highlighting NVIDIA's resilience in the face of trade tensions. The company's fiscal Q2 projection, which projects $45 billion in revenue, demonstrates its confidence in the future. Compared to the $30 billion earned the year before, this is a significant gain. Even though NVIDIA's sales to China are still modest, The company's performance to date is expected to continue. Its biggest income source, accounting for $20.7 billion of Q1's $44.1 billion, is the United States. Additionally, the company's next-generation AI platform, Vera Rubin, which is scheduled for release in 2026, will soon replace Blackwell, its existing platform. A superchip called Vera Rubin is intended to revolutionize the way artificial intelligence is incorporated into supercomputers. Many businesses are racing to construct data centers using NVIDIA's technologies for their AI systems. To increase industrial manufacturing, for instance, European businesses are constructing an AI facility. 10,000 NVIDIA GPUs will be needed for this installation. Additionally, Meta Platforms, the parent company of Facebook, is apparently deploying more than 1 million NVIDIA GPUs to build many data centers. For years to come, NVIDIA's prosperity will be fueled by this kind of demand for its AI products. So, what implications does this have for NVIDIA's stock? Let's explore that. But first, a big thank you to those of you who've stuck with us this far. Creating these videos takes significant effort and dedication, so if you're enjoying the content, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts on NVIDIA stock in the comments. Your support truly helps us grow. Now, let's get back to the video. The AI market is expected to grow from $244 billion in 2025 to $1 trillion by 2031, according to industry predictions. Thanks to discoveries like CUDA and Vera Rubin, NVIDIA is positioned to remain a major AI player on the world arena, even though it is unclear how much its China business will finally recover. Although it is improving, its stock's price-to-earnings, PE ratio of 55, is still far lower than that of its main competitor, Advanced Micro Devices, which is 114. Given the several variables driving NVIDIA's economic expansion, its stock appears to be a wise long-term investment. This year, NVIDIA has already accomplished a number of significant milestones. It grew to become the largest firm in the world and achieved a $4 trillion market value that no other company has ever achieved. In order to achieve this, the tech giant had to overtake Apple and Microsoft, which had long held the top 2 spots in terms of market value. NVIDIA's dominance in artificial intelligence, AI, which may be the most promising investment field of our time, is responsible for the increase in market capitalization, market price multiplied by the number of shares. Graphics processing units, GPUs, the most sought-after AI processors in the world, are designed by NVIDIA, and these and other products have contributed to the company's explosive growth and profits. As a result of investors' appreciation and subsequent influx of shares, NVIDIA's market value has skyrocketed. However, $4 trillion is not the ceiling for NVIDIA, and investors are already speculating about when the market value of this hypercharged firm may hit $5 trillion. Will it take place this year? Let's follow NVIDIA's journey to $4 trillion before we get started. In a brief amount of time, NVIDIA's market value has increased from less than $1 trillion in June 2023. As you can see in the image below, Apple and Microsoft significantly outperformed NVIDIA at that time. However, NVIDIA's sales and investor interest in the stock increased along with the AI boom, which enabled the company surpass these tech behemoths. Although they are also involved in the AI space, NVIDIA is the main player and has so far gained the most from this technology. For instance, as consumers flocked to purchase NVIDIA's processors and associated goods and services, the company's sales increased by triple digits to over $130 billion in the most recent fiscal year. However, NVIDIA's sales and investor interest in the stock increased along with the AI boom, which enabled the company surpass these tech behemoths. Although they are also involved in the AI space, NVIDIA is the main player and has so far gained the most from this technology. For instance, as consumers flocked to purchase NVIDIA's processors and associated goods and services, the company's sales increased by triple digits to over $130 billion in the most recent fiscal year. Because NVIDIA has created an empire of AI products to satisfy all of its customers' needs, and because of its extensive understanding of the industry, it is able to predict and create the greatest goods and services of the future. There is reason to believe that this momentum will continue. Additionally, NVIDIA has committed to updating its GPUs annually, increasing efficiency each time. This is crucial because, for instance, the longer a user can train an AI model, the less expensive the endeavor will ultimately be. All of this indicates that NVIDIA has a promising history, present, and future. However, what impact will this have on market value in the upcoming months? Let's now examine the path to $5 trillion. The market value of NVIDIA is over $4.2 trillion, and its stock is now trading at about 171. There would be a 20% increase from $4.2 trillion to $5 trillion. In my opinion, NVIDIA may easily achieve a 20% increase in the market capitalization and, consequently, the stock price over a few months. NVIDIA's trailing 12-month price-to-earnings ratio would rise from roughly 55 to 66 in such a shift. A trailing 12-month earnings per share of $3.10 is taken into account. For a quality growth stock, the valuation would be greater than it is presently, but not absurd. All of this indicates that NVIDIA might theoretically reach $5 trillion in 2025 without driving its valuation to unsustainable heights. Should investors therefore anticipate that NVIDIA will accomplish its goal this year? Over a few months, it is hard to forecast the performance of the market or a stock. The performance of a stock may be impacted by unforeseen circumstances. President Donald Trump's introduction of his import tariff plan this spring, which momentarily impacted markets, is a prime example. When investing, it's critical to remember that and concentrate on the long term. However, based on what we now know, I can state the following. Given its rapid expansion and promising future, NVIDIA may not only remain the largest corporation in the world in 2025, but also surpass the $5 trillion market value milestone in the next 5.5 months. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your input helps create a more knowledgeable community where we can all learn and grow together in the world of investing. Stay up to date with the latest market trends, insights, and key updates by subscribing to Investing Tutorial. We're here to help you make smarter investment decisions and stay ahead of the curve.